REDISA, the Recycling and Economic Development Initiative of South Africa, is leading the way in creating a sustainable tyre waste management system. REDISA's Integrated Industry Waste Tyre Management Plan was developed for the good of the community, environment and country. The REDISA process includes the management of waste tyre collection from various sources such as tyre dealers, landfill sites and urban and township areas. Independent transporters deliver the tyres to depots and from there to various processing and recycling initiatives. In less than 2 years, the results already speak for themselves. But let's hear what just a few of the many thousands of people involved in this revolution have to say about the difference it's made in their lives.
In terms of positive impact in the community, REDISA has made leaps and bounds with that. If you're looking already from the staff working at the depots, they're all taken from communities where the depots are situated. And actually, REDISA then takes these people, give them sustainable employment so that they can provide for their families.
Everything has changed. I can be able to sleep now. I can provide food to my family. I'm able to support my mother, my 2 brothers. I even have my own place now where I stay alone. It's because through REDISA business that they gave us.
I don't regret being part of REDISA. We have created jobs in this depot. Not only jobs for the 6 young boys that are working here, but also for guys who are owning transport. Small transporter is able to collect tires from the dealership and bring them here. And they get paid for that, you know. For me, I've turned a tire into being a black diamond. I'm a happy man.
The person who came with the idea of REDISA, I admire that person. He didn't see the color or somebody who's not educated. He just saw somebody who can do it, somebody who can work hard. And that thing, it take me where I am today. So thank you very much, REDISA.
Our relationship with the Mossel Bay Depot, as well as in terms of our information system where they are giving us data on a regular basis. And it's actually quite an eye-opener knowing how many tyres are coming out of the district that are actually being disposed of or stockpiled. The extent of the problem was that there was nowhere to go with these waste tyres. So it was just stockpiling and stockpiling. So we didn't have any answers until REDISA stepped in to remove these waste tyres for us.
Working with REDISA has been a very nice experience. I get to travel a lot, meet new people. I'm becoming more famous every day. I would advise any newcomer to take the opportunity with both hands because sky's the limit with REDISA.
Turning tires into wealth is actually a big plus for us because it's actually creating employment further down the field using scrap tires. We used to struggle a lot getting tires in and it used to cost a lot of money to the company. Now REDISA has come in, they deliver the tires to us free of charge and always on time.
No, the whole initiative is a very good thing from REDISA because there's a lot of waste tires. REDISA gives us a grant of 31 cents per kilogram process. We did a lot of improvements on our plant with the money from REDISA. They come here often, try to help wherever they can, and I think their plan is quite good.
Public health is the integral part of any human being. Meaning it's talking about the well-being and the quality of the environment where that person is particularly living. Meaning, if we then start with waste management and start to really control the way that we manage our waste, then we'll be really playing a very good role in terms of really integrating these two issues, which is public health and waste management.
All tires that are coming in the site, they used to be dumped onto our landfill site, but they are now diverted into this depot. And it's a great difference on its own, because if you are looking at the volumes, there is a reduction immediately when the project was initiated, which is a big difference.
I can tell you about the Gauteng province waste pickers. We realized that if we don't recycle, material is going to be the problem in our country. Every day we teach people from the entire communities so that they can recycle, so we can minimize polluting of climate because of waste.
It has given us a courage on doing something better for our life. Now we are boss of our own. And if you want to join us, you're welcome. We can teach you how to make a living out of waste. They mustn't look on the other side of the mountain for greater opportunities. Greater opportunities are right here in front of your face, in front of your eyes. This is what I can tell people.
You want to get in touch, you want to get involved in the community, you want to help clean up your area, you want to help improve the environment, contact REDISA and we are welcome to bring you on board and make you part of this family process in order to make South Africa a sustainable and empowered country going forward into the future.